People are making thousands of dollars applying what I want to show you in this video. I will show you proof of people who have made over $45,000, and I'm not joking. If you want to know what this is, watch this video till the end, guys. And don't forget to take action, because anything you learn online, if you don't take action, you are never gonna make money. After watching this video, if you get value, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Now let's jump right into the video. Welcome to Brigxel Beats. It's your guy Ken. On this channel, we show you tips and tricks on how to make money online. We cover a wide range of topics from affiliate marketing to cryptocurrencies to freelancing. If these sound like what you would want to know, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now let's dive right into today's video. If you come to this website here, Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a platform where you can buy services, and it's also a platform where you can sell services. You can freelance on this platform. Okay, so very quickly, if you come to Fiverr and search social media, okay, you come to this search bar here and search social media manager. Okay, you're gonna see a bunch of results. You're gonna see a lot of results. Okay, you can see here, if we search, we have 87,250 services available. So we have a lot of people. The competition here is high, but I want to show you the potential of what I want to show you in this video. Please make sure you stick with me, because I'm going to show you a platform where you will do this, where you have less competition. So what am I trying to show you? I want to show you how you can manage people's social media accounts and make crazy amount of money doing this. Okay, so for example, let's kind of like pick a random person here. Let's kind of like pick this lady here. If we check this lady here, it says social media manager. That's it. Okay, and then she says here, I will be your social media manager and content creator. Okay, and her starting price is from $200. Now if we look at this, she has a 4.9 star rating. That means she has done over 228 jobs. Now this is a simple math. Pick your calculator and multiply 228 by $200 minimum. Mind you, it says starting price. That means she could charge above this. You would see this lady has made over $45,000 minimum on this website. Okay, now this could be you. Now you can see a bunch of people doing this here. You check this person, you check this person. Some have made way more than she has, some have made below how much she's made. You can see somebody's charging $1,000. Okay, so you can see, guys, we have a lot of people doing this social media management thing here. So you might be wondering, so how this guy doing this? What are they doing? Now that's exactly what I want to show you. You could do this. These are humans doing this from different countries. Okay, so your country is not where you come from, does not necessarily matter here. So what matters that is that you understand what they're doing and then you do it. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how they do it. You're going to come to this website here, peoplepayhour.com. The competition on this website is not as you have it on Fiverr. So you're going to come here and click this button here, and then you're going to come here where it says sign up. So you're going to sign up as a freelancer. Okay, so you sign up on this website as a freelancer, and then you create a service just like this people have done here. You can see a lot of people are doing it here also. This person is charging $155. This person has done over 8,000. My God, this is crazy. Has done over, let's kind of like zoom that. You can see over 8,691 jobs here. It says completely manage one social media profile with the best content. You can see people are doing this. This person has made over 8,000 has done over 8,000 jobs here at $50. And like I told you, the competition here is low. That's why you have more sales here. The competition is low, so you can come to this website and list your service. How do you list your service? Very simple. Click one of these and style your listing in line with theirs. Okay, exactly the way they did it. Follow the techniques, and then when you're signing up, and then you'll be able to do all of that. It is not hard to do. So you are gonna use this website. Okay, so you might also want to use XCO clerks. Okay, if you come to XCO clerks, you see the same thing is happening here. The competition here is also smaller compared to the other two websites I showed you. You can see new people are practically setting up this freelancing job here, and then they're getting sales. Okay, this person is charging for $2. This person is charging for 30. This person has done kind of like 14 jobs so far. Okay, you can see it. People are doing this, guys. So these are practical proofs. Okay, what I show in my videos are things that work. Okay, most times people don't make money online because they don't take action. Okay, a lot of people are taking action. They see stuff like this and then they take action and then they make money. Okay, you can't make money online when you see stuff like this and you say, oh well, it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Who tells you it doesn't work? Or who? See, these things work. People are doing it. These are practical proofs. These guys are humans and they're making money on this website. Who says this cannot be you? Now, very quickly, if I haven't shown you the proofs, now let me show you what you are gonna do or what software you are going to use to do this. Now, this software here is going to help you do this. Okay, guys. So basically, this software is going to help you manage a bunch of social media accounts, guys. So if you go through it, you can see a lot of people that this guy testifying to the usefulness of this website. Okay, so now the website is buffer.com, guys. So now, but before you click out of this video, because most times when people watch videos like this, the moment they get the name of the website, they're out of the video and then they want to go figure things out. Make sure you stick with me because I want to show you a few other interesting and important things you need to know before you go trying this out. Okay, so you can see here, when you go down here, you can see here, good. If you come here, you can see the services, the things you can do with buffer.com. It has story planners, it has first comment, Instagram tagging, custom reports, and then when you come over here, it says shop grid, hashtag planner, stories and post analytics, stories and post analytics, answers. Okay, they have a bunch of stuff you can do on this website. So you might be saying, well, I don't know how to use this website. How do I use this website to manage social media account? Now I've got it covered. They already have tutorials helping you to do this. Okay, for you to do this, all you have to do is come down here where it says tutorials, and then you click this tutorial button. So you come here, you can see it says buffer tutorials. Then you come here, you can see we have a lot of videos, okay, showing you how you can use this website to manage social media accounts. We have a lot of videos. So all you have to do is to create time, come here and watch all these videos. You can see all of them. They are not that long, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 8 minutes long videos, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes. Watch all these things and then you have a deep understanding on how this website works, and then you'll be able to manage people's social media accounts, guys. So that's exactly how you do it. Okay, so there's no trick to this. All you have to do is to watch their tutorial videos, and then you understand how to use this website to manage social media accounts, and then you start making money, guys. So this is how people are doing it. Now let's click this button here. Let me show you something very quickly. Then let's come to this pricing. Now you can see here that they have a free plan, they have a pro plan, and then they have the premium plan, and then they have the business plan. Okay, so the business plan being the highest plan you could get on this platform, which is $99. This one is valued, the premium plan is valued at $65. Okay, so if we come to the free plan, you can see very little stuff you could do with this. Now, but I would advise you go with you start with the $15 monthly plan. Okay, so you might be saying, so how do I use this? Okay, I don't have money to do this. Now you don't need to have money to start. Okay, now this is how this works. You're gonna wait till you get an order from any of those freelancing websites I've just shown you. Okay, so once you get an order, okay, let's say you have your price starts from $50. Okay, so once you get an order, what you're going to do is you come here, out of the $50 you use $15 to subscribe, okay, for the first month, and then you start using this website to manage the social media accounts. And then as you make more money, you'll be able to upgrade to the biggest plan so that you'll be able to get a lot of features. Okay, because you can see the plans and the comparisons of the things you'll be able to do with the plans. Okay, for the $15 plan, you can see all the stuff you can do with each of the plans, guys. So basically this is how this works. So you can see this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, right? So it's pretty simple, and people are doing this. So if you are consistent, list your services on different platforms, you are definitely gonna get sales. And so when you start getting sales, imagine making $45,000 in 6 months or 1 year. That is seriously huge, guys. So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. It's your guy Ken, and this is Brigxel Biz.